Oz, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from South Korea. This one's made for export for the US market. This is Paldo Fun and Yum Teum for spicy lovers. So we'll go into that. So you take the bowl, you drop in. We're microwaving this one. I don't know that I've microwaved this variety before. I don't know. I gotta say, I like the old packaging better. This one has a girl on it. Nothing wrong with a girl, but it's just like, I don't know. I like the old one better. It seemed more interesting. There's that. We microwave it for 5 minutes, and I'm gonna do it at like 800 watts. I think that should do it. It doesn't really say, but with a 1200 watt microwave, 5 minutes will cause this thing to explode everywhere. So a modicum of caution is indicated in this certain situation. So, 2, 3, whoa, 5 minutes, power level, boom, 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 and then boom, boom. Okay. Sorry, got a little woo. So, this one's weird because, so check her out. Look at her shoulders. It's like, she's very, very like squared off shoulders. Very like she has a ruler underneath the top of her shirt. And it also seems like she can't seem to get her jacket on or windbreaker or whatever. I don't know. I don't know what the deal is. I'm confused, but it's just like very angular. Like a Euclidean line. I don't know. Euclid? No? So yeah. I'm hoping for a non-explosive experience of Paldo Teum. They changed it too. It used to be one word, and now Teum is 2 words. Oh, there's one. Simmer down out there, Mile. My son is building Legos, and he made a rather shrill sound. I don't know why. Yeah, Teum for spicy lovers. With a hyphen. I've used this font before. Interesting. I guess our friends in the Chicagoland area right now, it's June 28th, 2023, are experiencing high levels of bad air quality from forest fires and whatnot of the Canadian persuasion shooting down south. I feel you. I understand. We've had that here before too. We have, what do they call it? Fraser River outflow or whatever, pushing down forest fire smoke from down there. And then one year we also had it coming this way from east of the mountains in Washington, and then I think also coming up from Oregon. So we're like at the low part of the Puget Sound convergence zone. It really, we're like walking distance from Seattle, like North Seattle. North of here is Everett, and it's stinky no matter what. They've got a pulp mill or two there, but and it also smells of desperation. But yeah, I think they might have gotten it worse. I actually, there were a couple times in the last year or two, three, where the air quality at the most localized to us air quality station, we've got them all over the place, was the worst in Washington. And they were saying that Washington, our area, had the worst air quality in the world. So literally, we had the worst air quality in the world, which was kind of neat. I was like, hey, I got the worst air quality in the world. Makes for damn beautiful sunsets, though. Hey. And that's what I'll do. It's like, if we got bad air quality, I'll strap on one of those masks that go back and on your head that really are kind of painful to wear. The ones that, if you're doing a whole bunch of paint spraying, you know what I mean. Of course you do. And then I'll go out with that. Those are weird because you don't smell the smoke anymore. But if you walk by somebody walking their dog that takes a dump, you can smell that. So it's like the particulate matter that causes that scent is much smaller than the matter that's causing all the air pollution. When it's bad enough, you can just be like walking around and you feel like grit in your teeth, almost like there was like little tiny microscopic particles of like charcoal in your teeth. And it smells like burnt couch everywhere. It's really jacked up. It is really, really weird. But currently, I think our air quality is, the number for here is like at 1, which is, it's not 0, but you know, we've had the extremely hazardous to all groups, which was like 390. Generally, it just kind of bounces really low and like really low. Okay, we got 5 minutes done on that, and now we got a minute to wait. So we'll wait a minute. See, look, it goes up too. This thing is rad. I wonder where it is. I could send you I could with the review one of these days, I can say where to get one of these timers. It's USB rechargeable. It's really cool. I love this thing. It's big. I mean, look at this thing. It's almost as wide as my, it's got to be as wide as my head. This thing's big. Let's see. Yeah, it's wider than my head. My head's not that big. Big enough. But look, it's got like a stand if you want to have it stood up. It's got a hook if you want to hook it on something. And it's got these big old magnetic strips if you want to slap it on the side of the fridge, which is where I leave it when I'm not putting it right here. It's rad. I love this thing. My wife got it for me for, I don't know if it was for an event or just the fact that I really needed a nice big screen timer. I used to put them up here, and the problem with that was I would stand up to go set them and I would bang my head into the stove hood. The stove hood is stupid. Oh, I keep waiting for the alarm to go off. But it's counting up. Did we explode? We did not. Don't believe in paper plates. Yeah, don't trust paper plates when taking out heavy things. It's not that it's that heavy, but they can fold real quick and you can be covered in scalding hot happy pain. God, that hurt, but it was so tasty. Alright. This looks like it went well. You can see around the sides that it definitely bubbled up, but I see no evidence of it on the plate, so that's a plus. So in a 1250 watt microwave, doing it at 70% seems to be the trick. If you are of the 1200 watt microwave persuasion, that is. And you use room temp water. I remember a company had a product that required room temp water and they didn't mention it, so I used cold water. It didn't work at all. It's a fun fact. Oh wow. You know, this I used to consider to be like so freaking hot, and these days, nah, it's spicy. If you're looking for spicy, you'll find it in this, but it's not like, it's not gonna rip your face off spicy. Maybe some, but just not me. Not anymore, at least. They've gone through so many different iterations of Teum. There's like the 9700 SHU one. There's the regular initial one, which is this, except this is the bowl version, so it might have an even different thing going on. Yeah. Here is our a slice of chashu. Blowtorch. Torch it up. Let me down out there. You. We've got an egg. Oh boy, that was as splappy as can be. Holy crap! Wow, I think the lens might need a little bit of loving after that. Holy cow! The one egg I plan to use today makes a serious debut. Crap. Onion, sesame seed, and hey, where'd you go? There you are. Put you though. All smoke and mirrors, folks. Yeah. I want a different song. Oh yeah, the front of my phone. Holy crap, it's down on the bottom, but I gotta clean this thing up. Oh, it's on here too. Jeez. Anyways, the next one we're gonna have is this Uchiko Park udon from Ace Cook. Came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. Yeah, that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.